G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. Since the success of my first slapped together mechanical TV set I made using cardboard, Nipkow disc and LED light box and a small DC electric motor, I thought I'd embark on building a bigger mechanical televisor that'll make a bigger picture and hopefully of better accuracy. So I've decided to cut me a plywood disc at a diameter of about 40 centimeters, and using a template to mark the spiral of 32 holes NB TV standard to drill, which I've drilled into the disc. And I've mounted this disc on a 3-speed tapped AC motor fan, or fan motor. Anyhow, I don't know how this is going to turn out. There are some problems associated with using a disc that's got a bit of thickness, which is about, say, 3 to 4 millimeters, in which you have tunnel vision, which you have to view the image straight on to be able to see it clearly. But there's ways of getting around that, which people in the NB TV forum have told me. Anyhow, this disc being 40 centimeters in diameter will give me a picture that measures to about 2.5 centimeters in width and 3 centimeters in height, or the other way around depending on the orientation of the image, where you want to have it in a portrait mode or a landscape mode. For this Nipkow disc, I would like to have this mechanical televisor in landscape mode this time, which should give me a close to 4:3 ratio picture, I'd say. Anyhow, I'm just doing a test run of having this Nipkow disc mounted on me fan motor, which is a 3-tap speed fan motor. Anyhow, I'll switch it on and demonstrate. Of course, it needs a bit of coaxing to start it up, but once it gets going, it comes up to quite a good speed. I only got it mounted this way just for testing purposes, but I believe this will work quite alright. You might want to switch it off now before the motor falls out of the vise. But yeah, as you can see, this will run nicely on me AC fan motor. The disc isn't secured on, by the way. I've got it stuck on with a bit of blue tack. But yeah, this is just for the purpose of testing to see how well it will run on a big bad AC motor. So yeah, this is my next project, a larger mechanical televisor. And for the light source, I'm going to be using a bank of yellow LEDs. I wanted to use white ones, but I can't really budget for white LEDs as they're expensive to get from JCar. So yeah, I thought yellow would be the next best thing in brightness. Plus it's quite different from using your standard orange LEDs. So yeah, this is going to be producing a yellow picture. I'm not sure how many LEDs I'm going to be using to make the light bank, but I'll be using enough so it covers an area of 2.5 by 3 centimeters to make the picture and to make it as bright as possible to get a decently bright image. Another thing too, I drilled the holes about 2 millimeters thick, and even on a disc this size, that is apparently still a bit thick for holes, and that they need to be about a bit less than half the size, according to one of the members of the NBTV forum. So yeah, I'm going to be testing it anyways with the hole sizes I have, but we'll do some modifications should the image come up blurry as pointed out by that guy in the forum, when using 2.5 2 millimeter holes. So well, yeah, as mentioned, he mentioned that there'll be overlap, having holes that are a bit too large. Anyhow, yeah, what will happen is if the image does turn out blurry, I'll widen the holes and stick some cardboard over it with smaller holes punched in to, yeah, to make the apertures smaller to produce a much sharper picture, should that be necessary. Anyhow, yeah, this is my latest project, and I'll keep you updated on the progress of how it goes. Cutting this disc was not too difficult. Yeah, I didn't have a jigsaw to cut an even circle. I had to rough cut it and then sand it, file it down till I got a reasonably good circle. This plywood, plywood actually splits and chips away quite easy. So yeah, around some of the edges there's a bit of chip away, but yeah, can't win them all. All the same, won't affect the disc too greatly, I don't think. Yeah, I'll keep you updated with me progress. This is Troy from the Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.